Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Google Chat. Okay, first of all, you can open your Google Chat application on your phone. Then if you want to find someone on your Google Chat, you can click on the search option. Then here you can input the email address of someone you want to find on Google Chat and make sure that you input the correct email address. For example, I'm going to find this email address like this. You won't be able to find someone if you do not input the correct email address. Okay, then this is the account I'm looking for. Then we can just click on the account or the email address like this. And we can start chatting this account right here. Okay. And alright guys, that's how we can find someone on Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.